Turning a Wix website into a PDF is super easy. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So first, open your Wix website in your browser and then go to Google and search for iLab PDF. Click on the official iLab PDF link, and once the website opens, you'll see a variety of tools at the top like Merge PDF, Split PDF, Compress PDF, and Convert PDF. What you want to click on is HTML to PDF. So these tools let you convert any web page into a PDF document with high accuracy. Click on the Add HTML button, and now go back to your Wix website, copy the URL, and paste it into the input field on iLove PDF. Then click on Add, and after that, click Convert to PDF. It will start processing. You'll see a message saying converting HTML to PDF. And once it's done, just click Download PDF. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Wix website into a PDF form. Thanks for watching.